Good morning, class. I wanted to cover the understanding and applying properties to solve one-step inequalities. I wanted to cover this problem that is assignment 004, which is to spark your learning. So the question says, suppose the lowest elevation to which the submarine shown has been tested is negative 490 meters. If it is currently at an elevation of negative 125 meters, how many meters more can it dive without going below the lowest elevation tested? Okay, so to break this problem down, I'm going to write it up here, kind of give you a drawing. So here we are, and this is the base, right? This is the top of the water where elevation is at 0 feet, okay? We dive in, we swim down, and they said that we have reached an elevation of negative 127, actually it was meters, so I'll take the feet off. It said meters, I'm believing, right? They said that the furthest it's been tested is negative 490 meters. So they said if they are here, and this is the furthest that it has been tested, and let me just adjust this so you can see it, right? So this is the water level top. We go down into the water. We've gotten to 125 meters. They said they've tested it at 490 meters. They want to know how much further would the person who's here be able to dive down. So if you guys remember, we worked on finding the difference of something. When we worked on finding the difference, we would take the bigger number, and then when we wanted to find the difference meant we needed to subtract a negative. So we have a negative, and we're going to end up subtracting that negative 125. What ends up happening there is it gives us this plus, and now we can subtract. Because now this is a positive, we just subtract it to find out what's the difference between here and here. Well, once we do that, we find that the difference is 3, what do we got here? Let's do it together. Let's borrow from here. Let's go over here. Let's bring that 5 down. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we realize that the difference between here and here is 365 meters. So how would we write that as an inequality? If I said X represents the person, how many meters can he go down according to this in terms of an inequality? Well, that tells us that the distance in meters in X can be what? It's going to be less than, correct? Or equal to 365 meters. In other words, we can go less. We can go 364, 360, 200. We can go anything from 365, which will get us to here, or less, which will keep us under the negative 490 meters. Okay, so I hope that helps. There'll be more videos to come clarifying some of the work. This right here, again, was from 263. Spark your learning. Have a good day, guys. Happy Wednesday. Although you're going to probably get this on Friday. See you in a little bit.